So some of you may have watched I Dream of Jeanie. This was an old sitcom, and they used a certain chemical reaction that we want to show you today to make a gas come out of a bottle, and then the genie would appear. Now, the filmmakers would just play the film backwards to make the gas go back into the bottle to make it look like the genie was going back into the bottle. And that's what we want to show you today.
Yes.
We call this Genie in the Bottle, and we're going to do it at least 3 times up here. We have a bottle that is filled with hydrogen peroxide, and you might recognize hydrogen peroxide in your cabinet. It's a brown bottle. You put it on a cut to disinfect it. This is a much stronger percentage of hydrogen peroxide. It's 35%. So hydrogen peroxide's chemical formula is H2O2. So
goggles, where's the goggles?
it has 2 atoms of hydrogen, 2 atoms of oxygen. So when it decomposes, it simply turns into water. It releases oxygen. So in this reaction, the smoke that you see coming out is steam, and oxygen is perfectly safe to breathe, but there's going to be a lot of it. So we're going to catalyze our hydrogen peroxide with manganese dioxide, and my assistant here is going to help me out. He's going to drop this pellet. It's wrapped in tissue, so it's semi-permeable. And that's good because when it falls into the hydrogen peroxide, instead of diffusing all at once and the reaction just being over in a couple seconds, since it's in this pellet, it'll diffuse slowly and it'll release more oxygen for about 30 to 40 seconds. So just hold the end of it right there. And I'm going to hold it because this gets warm. It's an exothermic reaction. And he's going to release the genie. Here we go. Look at that genie. Isn't that amazing? We got another genie. Genies everywhere. It's Genie in the Bottle. Back to you live from Science Claus.
Round of applause, good one. That's still going hard too. How do you get that back in the bottle like they did on TV?
We gotta play the camera back. We gotta play it backwards. That's how you do it.